Everyone, Stephanie here. So, this is going to be an unboxing from Nihao Jewelry. They reached out to me and wanted to do a collaboration, and I said yes because I went to their website and they have some great things on their website. And I will put the link to the website down in the description box so you can definitely go check it out and order. They have everything from, clothes, bags, jewelry, shoes. They have crafting supplies, they have all kinds of stuff. Definitely go subscribe to their YouTube channel and you can get all kinds of great information from their YouTube channel. All right. So let me tell you a little bit about the company. Nihao Jewelry is a professional wholesale website that provides fashion jewelry, clothing, accessories, shoes, bags, and other fashion products from China. They help Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Facebook marketing, and other e-commerce site practitioners to provide high quality sources of goods and help them improve their e-commerce businesses. They have some great stuff, y'all. Wait till you see the quality of the things that I chose. So I was able to pick some things from the website. All right, I got that from their YouTube channel, but you can definitely go check out their website. Again, I'm gonna put all of the links down in the description. You can order. Shipping actually only took a couple of weeks, y'all, because it is coming from China. But the quality is incredible. Okay, so they let me choose some items, and I will show you what I chose. Wait till you see. Okay, so I chose these couple of bracelets. I didn't choose anything crafty or artsy, y'all. But if you make jewelry, they have lots of beads and findings on there. If you do crafting, they have lots of craft supplies on there. I just chose something different. Who knows? Maybe in the future, if we continue to work together, I'll choose some of those items. But I just wanted to choose some fashion items for now, since I have plenty of crafting items and art items and jewelry making items. Okay, so I said, well, let me choose some fashion stuff this time. Okay, but look at this. Now, this is a wrap bracelet. This is so pretty. It is beautiful. Now, I make jewelry. Okay, I'm a jewelry designer. And I decided to just go ahead and pick some stuff, but this is gorgeous. Look at that. That is pretty. And it's not heavy or anything at all. It actually doesn't feel, it feels really good on the wrist. It looks expensive. I like that. That's so pretty. I like that. I'm glad I chose that one. Oh, and it goes to my ring. Cute. So I'm not sure how much this was, but the prices are incredible too. The prices are really, really good, y'all. So yeah, I will see if I can provide a link maybe for some of this stuff in the description. But if not, you can just go and peruse the website and see what you would like to get. All right, now let's open this one. This one is beautiful. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Wait, let's see. Let's see. Can we see that? This is beautiful. That is gorgeous. I love a good wrap bracelet. I make these, but I thought these were so pretty on the website. I thought, oh, well, I should probably get those. Those are so pretty. Look at that one. It's gorgeous. So well made, too. It feels nice on the skin. It's really just really, really pretty. Really pretty. And I believe the two of these come together. Some of the items on the website, you get two or three pieces, but you can probably get different colors. So you just have to check it. But I believe the two of these came together, like in one order. You know what I mean? So this is beautiful. I love these. Okay. Thank you, Nihao. I love this stuff. Now wait till I show you the bags, y'all. I ordered some bags. Oh my goodness, the bags, the bags, the bags. Let me show you. Okay, like I said, I was able to choose the items that I wanted, and I saw this clear bag, and I thought it was really, really cute. I don't own a really big clear bag, so the way the picture looked, it looked, like a nice size. So I said, oh, I'll get that one. And I got two purses, y'all. Wait till you see the purses, honey. The quality is really, really good. And I'm not just saying that, okay? Let me show you this clear bag. It's so cute. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it for makeup or art supplies yet. I'm not sure. Let's see. And like I said, shipping was really fast and everything was well packed, y'all. Everything was well packed and put together nicely in a box, and it came safely. Nice man delivered to the door. I was very happy. Now look at this. This is super cute. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought. They just folded it up in the bag to get it in the package, Oh, this is cute. I might have to get another one of these. This will make a nice little summer carry-all, like if you went to the beach or something. For those of you who don't do art and crafting, you can use this at the beach for your kids, things at the beach or whatever. Look at it's pretty big. Wait, let me see. Can I see? I'm filming it this way because I really want you to see the quality up close, right? It's made really nicely. It's a plastic bag. So I think it's going to be great for what I'm going to use it for. Oh yeah, this is really nice. Really nice. You can put your gym clothes in here and put it in your car. I don't know if I would take this to a concert because it's really big, and sometimes when you take clear bags to concerts, they have to be a certain size. So I wouldn't take this size to a concert or a venue where they want you to have a clear bag. You always need a small one. Just note that. So keep this one at home. But yeah, you can use this for so many things. You can put your hair stuff in here, a lot of different things. Oh, I love that. I love it. I'm probably going to use it. I may have to order another one, y'all. I like this a lot. I may have to have one for my beauty stuff and then one for my art stuff, you know. So they do have different ones on there. So you can definitely check the website. I like this. Very, very nice. Okay. Very cute. I like that. So this is one of the other items that I received. Well, that I chose, I should say. I was allowed to choose what I wanted. And I saw these bags and I thought they were beautiful. And I got two different colors. Okay. Now they did send it in a dust cover and it was wrapped in plastic and everything. It was folded nice and everything. Again, so the packing, and the packaging was done really, really well. Okay. Everything arrived in great condition and it looks amazing. Okay. So let's look at the quality of this, y'all. Wait till you see the quality of this. Look at this bag. This looks like one of those expensive bags you get at a department store. Look at the details on that bag, the stitching. That's beautiful. It's really, really nice. And this is a navy blue color. Yeah, but the feel of this is really nice. I'm gonna tell you something. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Not at all. Not at all. Let's look at the zipper. Look at the zipper. Isn't this cute? Now I'll go through purses like some people go through shoes. So I had to get something that was gonna hold me up, because I have, I like big mom bags, and this is a big bag, so I like a big bag. But look at the inside of it. Okay, this is the inside. Well, let's see. Can we see the inside? Yes, we have pockets for all of our stuff, our phones, and all the stuff. Oh, and it has like a double pocket here. Oh, wait, so you have a double pocket here. I'm just gonna pull it out. You can probably put your wallet inside. Okay, if you want, like right here inside, and then you have this pocket, this inside pocket. I'm zipping them up, and they were unzipped. So that's nice. Oh, I like that. I like that. So you can hide, put your wallet inside and then have your other items there. Oh, I like that. That's nice. This is made very, very well, y'all. It's so cute. Like, this is cute. Oh, I cannot wait to rock this. This is so cute. This blue is beautiful. Oh, I love this. I love it. Thank you, Nihao. These are wonderful. And I'm not just saying that either. Like, the quality is incredible. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so very nice. Let me show you the other one. This is how they come in dust jackets, little dust jackets. I got the black one. I think these came in a few different colors. I'm not sure. I don't remember the colors. I did see like a beige one. I don't carry beige bags that often. I have like one. I think I own one or two, but I hardly ever carry them. So I would do more blues. I like darker colors, or I like really bright colors. But a black bag can go with anything. So this is a kind of bag that will go with anything. You could dress this up or down. Again, look at the quality. Just a few little strings there, but nothing major. But look at the quality, y'all. Let's see. Let's see if we can see it up close. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It's beautiful. Really beautiful. Okay, just beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, wow. Sorry, y'all. It's flashing out because it's black, but I'm really glad I chose these bags. Again, I wanted to film it like this so you can see the quality up close. So, yeah, just beautiful. I'm getting ready. You know what I'm going to do? Because I got, don't laugh at me, but I'm carrying a purse right now. The whole lining out of the purse tore up. I'm getting ready to use this one. As soon as I finish filming this video, I'm going to probably use this one. All right, so the same type of thing inside, the two pockets. And the lining, I like this lining because if say if you get something on it, you can wipe it off, and then you have the two compartments inside. Well, you have really three because you have this one that zips and you have this one, and then you have this one in the inside. Okay, so that's really nice. I like that. Very good. Very good quality, y'all. So definitely check out the website. Again, like I said, they have all kinds of stuff on the website. If you have a business and you want anything from wholesale, you can definitely check out their website. Okay. I love my items. So thank you so much, Nihao, for sending me these. I look forward to a future collaboration. I love these. These are beautiful. Again, they have some of the best quality items, you know, out there, y'all. So definitely click on the website. I would sign up, and then you literally can go through their website for a long time and just load up your cart and just get a bunch of stuff because their stuff is really, really good. Like this, it's incredible. This wrap bracelets, are beautiful. I'm gonna rock these. Look, I'm gonna wear can wear this with this purse, wear this one with that one. You can switch it. Hey, I love these. So they're really pretty. Yeah, I love the jewelry. I love everything. I love this. Really nice. Oh my god. I'm very excited, y'all. I'm very excited. So again, check out the website. I'm gonna leave all of the information down in the description box, and let me know how you like everything. Go make sure to go over and subscribe to Nihao Jewelry's YouTube channel, okay, and check everything out over there. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave it below, and I'll answer and get back to you. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.